Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over the S&P 500 ETF ticker symbol SPY. So today I'm going to recap what happened today. So around the afternoon, Trump said he received a beautiful letter from Xi Jinping, and the positive note that the market took was a possibility of direct line of communication, and there's not much to expect at negotiations today, but possibly in the future. But what we need to look at is around Friday morning, around 12:01 a.m. to see if Trump does initiate the tariff hike from 10% to 25%. So that is something we need to look at. But as for the 1 hour MACD, I wouldn't say we may end up positive on the 1 hour MACD. Anything could happen, either tariff hike or no tariff hike. We could either go dramatically up all the way to possibly, I would say, around where the 9-day and 18-day moving averages converged. So that price resistance right there. And if you notice today, we closed just right above the 50-day moving average. Bulls may say there's support. The letter that Trump received is an indication that is a reversal, but there is still unknowns until Friday morning. So wait until that. And we do see the daily MACD is converging down. But if we do get a rate or tariff hike, we do expect to see the support at the 200-day moving average, because none of the moving averages in between that. So that price level is at 277. I'll see if we were to move down, that price movement would be around 3.2% move down. But if we were to reverse and no tariff hike, everything's cool, is only up around 1.6. And on the 4-hour chart, I don't see anything. We haven't even reached an oversold RSI, which could be a sort of a bad indication for the bulls, because there could be more downside to this. But that's all. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.